What up, online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all online bosses. That is the aim, that is my agenda of this channel, to make all your online bosses and leave that slavery 9 to 5 behind, guys. Damn, 100% guys, that's what I'm here for, to inspire you guys, educate you guys, give you guys the crypto news, and also just I'm going to help you guys as well, teaching you guys how to launch NFT projects, to do NFT and crypto marketing. So anything Web3, whatever narrative we're going to do on here, whatever I've done and made money from, I'm going to show you guys. If you like the sound of that, subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, I've done a video on TikTok about this. I'm not posted it yet, but I want to do, that was short form. You can only get the basic drift of it. So I kind of want to go through and explain and show you the facts and how to do it, because you know, I know 1% of people want to actually take action on anything, and if you're the 1%, listen up. Okay, so this is a strategy I had to make $10,000 a month plus, $10,000 minimum plus. Okay, very simple strategy, guys. Yeah, so my marketing agencies, we do 6 figures a month. We are NFT crypto marketing agency. We do anything Web3. Predominantly, we focus on influencer marketing. So projects come to us and say, well, we've got this amount of budget and we want exposure for our project. So we make their projects go viral. Obviously, I offered a lot more because I've been in crypto for 9 years, so I do advising as well, very good at branding and marketing. So I'll give them the full package. But even just as a influencer outreach, that is a project. I mean, a niche. That is a niche, and that is a business model. I'm telling you, facts. Okay, and some projects prefer that, because on our website there's waffle. There's developers, there's advisory, there's billboards, there's a bit of everything. Some people don't like that. Some people just want to come to a website or come to an Instagram page and just have the facts. This is what you do. This is what you're about, and this is what the benefits are for working with your business. Okay, so in influencer marketing, in crypto and NFT, there's 3 to 4 main platforms. One is 100% Twitter, crypto Twitter, 100%. 2 is 100%. I would probably say, it's across. So there's YouTube, obviously. And then you got TikTok, which is very good as well. So it's a bit of a tough one there. But anyway, let's just say Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay? All those are good platforms. Definitely number 1 is Twitter, that's a fact. The rest is debatable, but it's number 1. So let's focus on YouTube influencers, because I think a lot of people has done the Twitter niche. But you still can do it. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to talk about YouTube. So you want to open up an agency. Even go deep, guys. I'm going to go through a lot on this. You're going to learn from someone that's been in marketing for 15 years, guys, and been in crypto for 9 years. You're going to learn a lot. Watch this video again and again and again. This easy can make you $10,000, and you don't need to spend a penny. So on a macro level, you're opening a marketing agency. It's going to be an NFT crypto marketing agency. Could call it Web3 agency, and you're going to have influencers on your database. Okay, influencer marketing. Always, when you do websites and branding and buying domain names, you want to always be very specific to what you do. I could go simple, guys, and put Web3 influencer marketing.com.io or the Web3. Play with whatever you want to play with the words, because no doubt when I've done this video, a couple of people are going to buy these anyway. So play about it. So you're very specific to what you do. Or we make your Web3 go viral. You know, we make your Web3 project go viral. We make you go viral.com. Web3 go viral with us.com. Be very specific. Call out your audience. Or if you can just do YouTube, which is great. As I said, if you just niche down to one, it's amazing. YouTube, Web3, virality. You know, just put me on the spot, yeah. Do you get what I mean? So, you understand what I mean? Now, you don't even need a website yet, guys. Don't spend a penny unless you can make. If you can build on yourself, that's great. But right now, let's not spend a penny. Let's just reach out. Let's just test the business model. I know it works, so I'll do it. But let's not spend our money. Let's open your Instagram. Let's open your Twitter. And that's it. That's all you need for now, guys. Okay, Telegram, because a lot of projects you can reach on Telegram. Okay, do crypto and NFT marketing, so you're covering both angles. First, I'm going to show you how to reach out to influencers that have NFT projects, because you can be like, okay, cool. Well, I just explained on the TikTok about getting the influencers, but now how you're going to get the actual clients. But actually, let's step back one bit. Let's talk about the actual influencers first. Then we'll go to the clients. So what you're going to do, guys, so we're going to go to YouTube. So let's keep it simple. YouTube. Okay. So let's put NFT. So see who comes up for NFTs. Okay, guys, because you're a small marketing agency at the start, you want to kind of reach out to smaller influencers, because if you reach out to NFT verse, he's not going to touch you. Look at this guy here, Nazir Crypto. Okay, he seems like a good 4K views, 6K, perfect. Also check if they're botted as well. Always check. You don't want people botted on your database, because it's going to make you look bad. So 4,000 views, 6,000 subs, good views for the subs. You know, it's a bit of in the grey area. You're probably a bit too much views, but chance to win 5,000. OpenSea is a good keyword, so maybe you got ranked for OpenSea Marketplace. How long was this video? Okay, it wasn't too long ago. Okay, cool. Let's check the comments. 4 days ago, so it's videos about 4 days old. So I would say actually that's probably a bit too much views for the subscribers, but let's digress. I would love to get into NFT marketplace, but it's expensive and gas fees alone. Something could cost 18, but gas. Okay, that's quite of a normal organic comment. Look at this video, clean, simple, very easy. Okay, appreciate the video. Exactly when it start. Okay, probably a bit too chilly. Fabulous video, super informative. Can't wait to start. Okay, not bad. Let's say this one gives a pass. We'll go through these. Let's say we went through all this, and it's all organic, and we checked the rest of his channel, and his channel's getting, different variable of views. The view's not always the same, so it's not a botted structure. Okay, so let's see if that passes the test. Then we'll go to his About Me page. Remember, I'm doing this all on the whim, guys, as in, this is not scripted, just straight. Okay, boom, collab promote. Okay, collab promote. Honestly, guys, I personally don't like when people, it's a little bit red flag for me. I wouldn't probably use him, I'll probably pass on him, but I'll come back to, I'm going to, for the purpose of the video, we're going to continue. But I don't like when they put collaboration promote. When you shouting out, we're collab, I'm collab, I promote, I collab, I promote, kind of shows that this is the reason why you only open this channel, just to do collabs, just for promotion. Could be botted. So a little bit of a red flag, but anyway, that's just what I'm looking at. Okay, so collab promotion. So this is his. No, I have these message me all the time. TX minus. They keep messaging me for promotion. I don't want to spend a penny. Okay, to be honest, I don't know what this link is. Not really seen his link before. I would expect it's like a link tree. Okay, cool. This is Telegram link. Cool. So this is for to reach out to him, right? So okay, so I can't open it because it would take me off the screen. So I'll just tell you. So we reach out to him now. Hey Nazar, great content. Always compliment people. Great channel. Sorry, I think I said project. Great channel, Nazar. Love what you're about. You'll be perfect fit for our marketing agency. Please send me over your best prices so that I can add you to our books. He's gonna message back. Probably size of his channel, $300-400. Cool. You're gonna say to him, okay, great. By the way, I am a marketing agency and we do expect a 20% markup. only telling him about the 20% markup after you got his price, because he would have factored it in anyway and be like, okay, it's 600, you get it for 400. No, you want his actual price, because I don't make money off my clients with influencer outreach. That's not where my money's made, because their clients would just clock on and do it themselves, even though they probably won't, because that's just how life works. People want to pay. You know, there's marketing agencies all over the place for Web 2. There's agencies. People just don't want to do the work themselves. But I try not to make a profit from the client. I try and make it from the creator. So they tell us $400. Already, telling them basically want 20% off. So 20% off, $400. What's that? $80. So already you got $80 to play with there, right? And if you do want to put a little bit of cheeky markup to the customers, that's okay, because you can class it as a booking fee. You know, maybe $20 to $40, because it's a booking fee. So you got $120, right? So add him to your list and keep rinsing, repeating, till you've got yourself 20, 30, 40, 50 people on your influencer database. And just don't give up. Do this every week, because new YouTubers come in and you'll find new YouTubers. Also go on incognito mode, so YouTube is not showing you the same old people or the people that you already searched, right? So it's just different people. Okay, so now you've learned how to collect your database of influencers. Perfect. Now we want to reach out to projects, because this is what you're going to think, well, where do I find projects? Guys, remember, projects launch every single day. Every day. Okay, so there's so many different tools to find NFT projects. I'm just going to tell you a couple. If I'm going to tell you every single tool, we'll be on this video all day. And I know your guys got attention span of a goldfish. So, for instance, Twitter. Put NFT. Just remember, guys. Just remember this. Really remember this. These projects have marketing budgets. They have pre-launch marketing budgets. They have post-launch marketing budgets. All they want to do is do marketing, guys. So this is like a no-brainer for you, because they need marketing. So you can get these projects before their launch, which is great, or even after. So like I said, NFT, so look at NFT projects. Just keep scrolling down. Look at this perfect example. Especially when they're giving away whitelists, that means they're actually a new project. Look, 5 whitelists for this, boom. Perfect, got them. Let's now we go everywhere. Now we go on messages. Boom, even see my messages. Anyway, so we go on the messages, and then simple thing like, hey guys, great project. As I go again, always lead with a compliment. You can put something in the brackets to get their attention, because you always want a hook. And great project is a little hook, but you also want like a hook to know that you're not just spamming, talking about random crap. So we'll be like, got an amazing value proposition. Okay, you DM me that about, okay, what's this value proposition? What you got? Okay. So then now, so you got that's your hook, story, close. Ad copy 101. Okay. So you got your hook. Your story will be, they don't care about you. Just remember, when you do ad copy, when you talk to anybody, no one cares about who you are. They just care about the benefits that you can do for them. But bear in mind that they want to know a little bit. So just bear in mind that you is just 1%. 90% is what you can do for them, right? So you can introduce yourself. My name's Bob from the Market Agency. That's it. We have all the #1 influencers that you guys would absolutely love, and vetted by me personally, and is perfect for your NFT project. Go even deeper than this, guys. Go even deeper. And I'm excited because this is actually easily can make you guys money. Go even deeper than this. Research the project. And remember this, to live a life that others don't, you have to do what others won't. You have to go above and beyond. Understand their project. Okay? Straw Hats Club. If this is about giving away straws, I'm just joking. Every mint you get a straw. It's a joke, by the way. and you've got an influencer on your books. Now look at your influencers, see, okay, what is congruent with this project? Oh, this guy is an NFT influencer, and he's always talking about, you know, projects with good use case and trying to help the world and the blueprint of the world, whatever. You know what I'm getting at, right? Lead by that as well. So be like, oh, we've got an amazing YouTuber that would be great for your project. He's always talking about recycling and to help the world and the green and all this stuff. You got their attention. You gave them value. You already got them like, oh gosh, that'd be perfect for us. All right? And then always close. So you've got your hook, you've got your story, now close them. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you're interested. Let me know if you're interested. I'll send you over the prices, and I can get this booked up with you ASAP, because this particular YouTuber is very in demand. This is one of the most in demand YouTubers. So you want to put scarcity. Let's put scarcity in there as well. So guys, you can do this on Twitter. You can do this on Instagram. You can do this on Telegram. If you want me to show you about the Telegram one, that's more of a complex one, because there's actually Telegram groups, call channels. Oh, that's actually for the crypto side. There's like call channels. You can go there and they're already calling upcoming crypto projects. So if you love this video, guys, let me know, and I'll do the crypto one next, about being a crypto marketer, influencer marketing. And I'll show you to the crypto one, and I'll show you about reaching out to people in Telegram. I like that one as well. So, as I said, anywhere you can find of, even another one. Look at this. Look at this. Got an amazing one. I always tell my business partner, because I'm really busy. I'm like, so obviously I've got my marketing agency, and I've got my business partner. She's actually amazing. She's actually my assistant at first. And anyway, she ended up being my business partner. She's great. She does all the outreach for us, and I'm more like, I'm the charismatic leader, and my brain has to be very clear. Obviously, one, I'm building these socials, and two, I'm like the advisor to these projects, so I can't really be reaching out to doing this kind of work. But guys, remember as well, I'm teaching you guys my business model. So I'm telling you, nobody on the planet would teach you their business model. Not many people, and not hold back. I'm telling you everything. You can literally do this and earn a business. So there you go. Go to our areas, upcoming drops, and boom, look at all these projects, guys. Okay, common sense will tell you these projects need marketing. That's what guys, you have to have marketing. No marketing, no sales. Okay? So reach out to all these projects and sell them the dream, okay, of YouTube marketing. All right, then, guys, if any questions, hit me up on the comments, and I'll do follow-on videos to every single question that you got. I love this, guys. I love giving back to you guys. I love teaching. This is my passion for life. When I used to do MMA, I still do it now. I'm always that guy, and people come to me, oh, how do you box? And you know, how do you box? And I can show them something. I'm that guy that'll stay there for like 2 hours, giving this guy a free boxing tutorial, boxing session. Like, I love it. I love helping people. You know, I've been lucky. Excuse me, I hate that word. I ain't been lucky. I put in hours and work to perfect my craft, and I'm obsessed with what I do. What I did meant to say is I have had like a really bad past. Really, I've been homeless, I've been jobless, I've had it all, guys. And, you know, I understand what it's like to be lost. I understand what it's like to feel like you don't have purpose, or you don't have a way to make money. And I want to give back to you guys and give back to the universe to teach you guys this stuff. This is a very simple business model, and it works. Any questions, hit in the comments. I'll do a straight off video. I'll come on straight away and do a video. You leave a comment now, I'll probably come and do a video tonight just to give you value. That's what I'm about. All right then, guys, to the next video. Check out this video up here. It's what you need to see. God bless you all.